Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. It is that time of year again. The Kentucky Derby's right around the corner. And Boston Scally released another Kentucky Derby themed cap. 2 years ago, it was the Derby. Great cap. Love the stripes. Last year, it was the Triple Crown. Another wonderful cap. Lightweight for the summer. This year, they released the trifecta, the Julep. And we're going to open this up to see what it looks like. Let's see what we got here. All right, so I got the pin as well. This is the Julep pin. Go ahead and show that first. And this is the Julep. It's got mint green. It's basically the same as the Triple Crown, like as far as the design. But you got mint green on there and a little bit more lighter of brown here for the plaid work. All right. Going to take the cardboard out. Again, the Julep. This is a medium large. These other two were extra larges, which are run a little bit big, but I'm not going to repurchase them. I love the mint green on this. And it did come with its own dust bag, which I hope all releases will start doing, because it'll save me some room in my closet. Go ahead and open that up as well. And that is the Julep dust cover for the cap. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to show all three of them close up on the bed here. And then I'll try the Julep on. I'll be right back. So here is the trifecta. We got the Derby. This came out 2 years ago. Yes, this one's an extra large. We got the Triple Crown, which came out last year. And then we got the Julep, which came out last week. Great looking cap. This is the trifecta of caps. Look great together. I'm really digging the mint here. All right, it's time to go try them on. Let me know what you guys think of which one you guys like the best out of all three of these here. I'm going to go ahead and try it on. I'll be right back. All right. So I got the Julep here. About to try it on for the first time. Can we get a drum roll, please? Like they do in National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. All right. Let's go ahead and try it on. Oh, yeah. Yep. Great. This is going to be my favorite out of all three. Yeah, this mint is rocking. Out of these three here, this mint looks really good. I got a mint shirt, too. I didn't buy the shirt because I don't know what size to get anymore. I had to get rid of all my shirts because they were too big. But yeah, this is amazing. Really like this a lot. Let me know what you guys think about this Julep here. And out of each one of these three, which one's your favorite? Again, Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.